Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of unlocking passive income through digital real estate. Imagine earning $10,000 a month while you sleep or travel the world. That's the power of passive income. In today's financial landscape, where job security is uncertain and traditional investments may not yield the desired returns, the concept of passive income has never been more relevant. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement. It's like having a money-making machine that works for you 24/7, allowing you to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. By diversifying your income streams and creating sources of passive income, you can secure your financial future and enjoy a more flexible lifestyle. Digital real estate, in particular, offers a unique opportunity to generate passive income. Just like physical real estate, digital properties such as websites, blogs, and online businesses can be valuable assets that generate consistent revenue. With the potential to reach a global audience and scale your earnings exponentially, digital real estate is a lucrative side hustle with high earning potential. In this video, we are excited for you to learn how to leverage digital real estate to create multiple streams of passive income and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of passive income, this video is packed with valuable insights and practical tips to help you unlock the power of digital real estate. Stay tuned for an eye-opening journey towards financial empowerment and sustainable wealth building. Understanding passive income. Passive income is a game changer in the world of wealth building, offering a path to financial stability and freedom. To truly grasp the power of passive income, it's essential to understand the distinction between active and passive income streams. Active income requires your direct involvement and time, such as working a traditional job or providing a service. On the other hand, passive income is generated with minimal ongoing effort once the initial work is done, allowing you to earn money consistently without being tied to a specific time or location. The benefits of passive income are manifold, with one of the key advantages being its ability to generate wealth with minimal ongoing effort. By setting up passive income streams, you can create a reliable source of income that continues to grow over time, even when you're not actively working. This passive income can provide financial stability, allowing you to weather economic downturns or unexpected expenses with ease. Moreover, passive income offers the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or explore new opportunities without being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. Examples of passive income sources abound, ranging from rental properties and dividend-paying stocks to online businesses and affiliate marketing. These diverse avenues demonstrate the endless possibilities for generating passive income and inspire viewers to explore their own wealth-building opportunities. By diversifying your income streams and harnessing the power of passive income, you can pave the way towards a more secure financial future and unlock the potential for true financial freedom. Digital real estate explained. Digital real estate is a powerful concept that has revolutionized the way individuals can generate income online. Just as physical real estate involves owning and renting out properties for profit, digital real estate refers to virtual assets that can be leveraged to create substantial monthly income streams. In the realm of online wealth creation, digital real estate plays a crucial role in diversifying income sources and maximizing earning potential. There are various forms of digital real estate that individuals can invest in, each offering unique opportunities for income generation. Websites, for example, can be valuable digital properties that attract visitors and generate revenue through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products and services. Domains, on the other hand, are like virtual real estate plots that can appreciate in value over time and be sold for a profit. Online businesses, such as e-commerce stores or digital marketing agencies, are also considered digital real estate assets that can yield significant returns when managed effectively. One of the key advantages of investing in digital assets is the scalability and potential for high returns. Unlike physical real estate, which may be limited by location or market conditions, digital real estate can reach a global audience and scale rapidly. By optimizing and monetizing digital properties, individuals can unlock new income streams and grow their online presence to attract more customers and clients. The potential returns on investing in digital assets are virtually limitless, with some individuals earning 6- or 7-figure incomes solely from their online ventures. By understanding the power of digital real estate and strategically investing in digital assets, you can tap into a lucrative market and secure your financial future in the digital age. Strategies for success. Building and monetizing digital real estate to reach the coveted $10,000 per month income goal requires a strategic approach and a solid game plan. To help you achieve success in the world of online wealth creation, here are some actionable tips and strategies to consider. 1. Select profitable niches and markets. Choosing the right niche and market for your digital properties is crucial for success. Conduct thorough research to identify profitable niches with high demand and low competition. Look for areas where you can provide unique value and cater to a specific audience's needs and preferences. 2. Implement SEO techniques. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for driving organic traffic to your digital properties. Optimize your website and content for relevant keywords, improve site speed and user experience, and build quality backlinks to increase your visibility in search engine results pages. 3. Create compelling content. Content is king in the digital world, so focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Provide valuable information, solve problems, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche to attract and retain visitors to your digital properties. 4. Monetize effectively. Explore various monetization methods for your digital assets, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, online courses, digital products, and advertising. Diversifying your income streams can help you maximize your earnings and reach your $10,000 per month income goal faster. 5. Share success stories. Case studies and success stories can inspire and motivate you on your wealth-building journey. Learn from others who have successfully built and monetized digital real estate to achieve financial freedom and emulate their strategies for success. By implementing these strategies and staying focused on your income goal, you can effectively build and monetize digital real estate to reach the $10,000 per month milestone and beyond. Stay persistent, adapt to market trends, and continuously refine your strategies to maximize your earning potential in the competitive digital landscape. Maximizing earnings. To truly unlock the full potential of passive income streams from digital real estate and maximize your monthly earnings, it's essential to explore advanced tactics and tools that can help you scale your online assets effectively. Here are some strategies to consider for optimizing your passive income streams and boosting your earnings. 1. Automation tools and outsourcing options. Embrace automation tools and outsourcing options to streamline your workflow and free up more time to focus on growing your digital properties. Utilize tools for social media scheduling, email marketing automation, content creation, and website management to increase efficiency and productivity. Outsourcing tasks like graphic design, content writing, and customer support can also help you scale your operations and expand your online presence. 2. Passive income diversification strategies. Diversifying your passive income streams is key to maximizing your earnings and reducing risk. Explore different monetization methods, affiliate programs, and revenue streams to create a robust and sustainable income portfolio. By spreading your income sources across various channels, you can protect yourself from market fluctuations and capitalize on multiple revenue streams. 3. Continuous learning and adaptation. The digital real estate market is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to changing trends and technologies. Invest in your education, attend industry conferences, and network with other digital entrepreneurs to stay ahead of the curve. By continuously learning and adapting your strategies, you can position yourself for long-term success and growth in the competitive online landscape. 4. Innovative scaling strategies. Encourage viewers to think outside the box and explore innovative ways to scale their online assets for increased profitability. Consider launching new products or services, expanding into new markets, collaborating with influencers, or implementing viral marketing campaigns to reach a wider audience and drive more revenue. By embracing creativity and innovation, you can take your passive income streams to new heights and achieve your financial goals faster. By incorporating these advanced tactics and tools into your digital real estate strategy, you can optimize your passive income streams, maximize your monthly earnings, and build a sustainable and profitable online business. Stay proactive. experiment with new ideas, and be open to change to propel your digital assets to greater success and financial abundance. We have explored the exciting world of unlocking passive income through digital real estate and the potential it holds for transforming your financial future. Passive income and digital real estate play a crucial role in wealth creation by offering a sustainable and scalable way to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. By leveraging digital assets and implementing strategic tactics, you can pave the way towards financial empowerment and achieve your income goals. We have discussed the importance of selecting profitable niches, implementing SEO techniques, creating compelling content, and diversifying income streams to maximize your earnings from digital real estate. Through automation tools, outsourcing options, and continuous learning, you can optimize your passive income streams and scale your online assets for increased profitability. Now is the time to take action and start your own journey towards financial freedom. Apply the strategies and tips shared in this video to build and monetize your digital properties, and watch as your passive income grows steadily over time. Embrace innovation, stay adaptable, and never stop learning to stay ahead in the dynamic digital real estate market. Together, let's embark on a path towards financial empowerment and unlock the full potential of passive income through digital real estate. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you thrive in your online ventures.